The NADALY cordless stick vacuum NV01 is equipped with an advanced motor and 3 suction modes, ensuring effective cleaning of various surfaces from crumbs to pet hair. With a high-capacity battery, this vacuum provides up to 45 minutes of runtime, allowing uninterrupted cleaning sessions throughout your home. The vacuum's flexible anti-tangle floor brush, combined with LED headlights, ensures efficient cleaning without the hassle of hair entanglement and illuminates dark corners. Its lightweight and cordless design, along with multiple accessories, make it easy to maneuver and versatile enough to clean curtains, beds, and sofas. The high-efficiency filter system captures up to 99.99% of tiny particles, ensuring a healthier home environment. A generous 1.5-liter dust cup reduces the need for frequent emptying, making it convenient for handling larger cleaning tasks.